everybody, this is Matt Brown from HotBoxCards.net, your online source for sports card subscription boxes. Check out our website, HotBoxCards.net, and check out our Facebook page, Facebook.com/HotBoxCards, for updates on all of our boxes. Today we are going to do another unboxing. I just got in a hobby box of 2020 Topps Gypsy Queen. This has been a very hot product. Price has been going through the roof, so I decided to get a box. 2 on-card autographs per box. A lot of great stuff in these I've been seeing. So let's break right into it and see what we get. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Hopefully you are a subscriber. We're going to see what we get out of this box. I'm excited for this thing. Waited a while for it. There we go. Get that little sticker off. There we go. There's our 3 chrome cards inside. We'll save that to the end. And there we go. 3 rows of packs. A lot of cool stuff in here. Some good rookies. You might see some of these cards in our upcoming hot boxes, so be on the lookout for those. 2 on-card autographs per box. Started off with Logan Allen, rookie. Cabrera. Gigliotto. However you say his name. Mitch Keller. Brandon McKay, rookie. I like Brandon McKay. I think he might be pretty good. Sanchez. Christian Yelich. And John Means. Hopefully everybody is doing well out there in this quarantine time. I'm doing pretty good, I think. Willie Calhoun. Molina. La Stella. Brandon Crawford. We got like a special card there. We have the World Sterling Marte. Look at that thing. It's like a playing card. I like the playing card stuff. Tarot of the Diamonds, a tarot card. We got a Vladimir Guerrero Jr. card. That is nice. Boyd for the Red Sox or Tigers, and Jose Abreu. Looking for my sleeves, get them ready. There we go. All right, next pack on the 2020 hobby box of Allen and Ginter. I'm shocked these. Oh, we got a fortune teller card inside this one or something. Brock Holt, Dean. Ender, a Rosanna for Tampa Bay. Our fortune teller card is, who is that? Keston Herrero, something like that, on the fortune teller card. Steven Matz, Ozzy Albies, I like Ozzy, and a Grozal, something like that. If you guys have opened up any 2020 Gypsy Queen, let me know down below what you guys thought of the product. I think it's pretty good. I think we got something in here too, maybe. Well, maybe not. Brandon Woodruff. France. Garrett Cole in his Yankees uniform now. Starlin Castro. Carl Yastrzemski. That might be that's a short print. We will sleeve that up. Anything in the 300s, I believe, are short prints. I'm pretty sure that is a short print. Justin Turner, Jeff Samaja, and Reyes. Nothing great so far. Looking for Gavin Lux and Derek May and Taubert for the White Sox. That Reds guy, I forget his name, but you know who I'm talking about. We got Clace, Brosella, Whit Merrifield, Jimenez, another fortune teller of Austin Meadows. That's nice. Williams for the Pirates, Peralta, and Yusei Kikuchi. I say Karachi. You say Karachi, I say Karachi. All right, this is the last part of row 1. Austin Riley. Rogers, Tigers. Grisham for the Pirates, rookie. Puck, rookie. Valario for the Royals. McLean, Moose Michaelis. And who's this? Williams Astado. Never heard of him. Never heard of him. Looks like we got something in here, maybe too. All right, we got Reynolds, Kyle Lewis, rookie. Harper, Thames. Oh, here's our first autograph. It is that Lance McCullers? Yeah, Lance McCullers of the Astros. That's not bad. Houston Astros, Lance McCullers, on-card auto. The autographs look really nice on these cards. I'll tell you that. Yeah, they do. They are nice. So we got Lance McCullers, Carlos Correa, Devers, and Lambert. So we got our first auto. We got Smoke, Mercado, the Indians, Zach Greinke, DJ Lemieux, Scott Kingery, Mike Trout. Nice Mike Trout card. I don't know if that's it's number 300. I don't know if that's a short print or not. Not sure. I'll have to check that out later. Lorenzen for the Reds and Jose Ramirez. All right, on to stack 2. Excuse me. All right, Danny Jansen. Mets, Jordan Yamato, something like that. Polanco. Davis, rookie for the Giants. We got the Magician, Noah Syndergaard. On the playing card, that looks nice. Dylan Cease, rookie. Vasquez. And Brandon McKay again. So we've got 2 Brandon McKay rookies. Not one of the top rookies, but... All right, we got Tommy Pham, Pirates, Walker, Pujols, Dunn. Oh, here's our other autograph. This is numbered. This is AJ Puck on the blue auto. AJ Puck rookie, numbered to 99, 3 of 99. That is nice. Hopefully he is a good player. Hopefully there's another hit in here. Alberto, Goldschmidt, and Buxton. Price on these Gypsy Queen have been going through the roof lately. Boxes of these trying to get them. It's probably the only hobby box I'll probably buy these. Dixon, J.D. Davis for the Mets, Morjan for the Padres rookie, Sanchez, Hader, Santana, Noyce, Sheldon Noose, and Conforto. Excuse me. All right, we got Shohei Ohtani, Bradley, Alexander with the Tigers, JD Martinez. There he is, the rookie, Luis Robert for the White Sox. That is one of the top rookies this year. We're going to sleeve him up. There he is. So we got one of those. Good. All right, Logan Webb, rookie for the Giants, Heaney, and Longoria. So we got one of the top rookies. Hopefully maybe we'll get a couple more of him. I've been seeing a lot of people open up boxes. Sometimes they get a lot of duplicates. I've seen my buddy Dave at ABQ SCNC open one. He got 3 Gavin Luxes. And so, never know what you're going to get. Ramos, Baez, rookie. Robbie Ray, Hoskins, McMahon, Darby Swanson, Fernandez, rookie for the Cardinals, and Lindor. Francisco Lindor. Still got a whole row left after these. So I'm thinking maybe we'll hit a third one. Trey Mancini, Hendricks, Bo Bichette rookie. There's another good rookie we're looking for. Oh, Bo Bichette. On the Gypsy Queen. All right, Dozier. Oh, we got a no-name card. A no-name card of a Brewer. It is Lorenzo Cain. On the no-name card. There we go. That's good. Alessandra. Looks like for the Marlins. Grotero. Something for the Twins. And Soler. Jorge Soler. Led the American League in home runs. And he was on my fantasy baseball team last year. Jacob deGrom. Victor Robus. I like me some Victor Robus. Marzara. Blackman. Ryan Braun. Tim Anderson. Castro. And DeJong. Last pack of the middle row. And then we will hit the final row. Not an okay box. Nothing to write home about. Travis Dienard. Gruchik for the Twins. Marte. Matt Olson. Another fortune teller. Gleyber Torres. That's nice. Nunez. Rookie for the Rockies. Senzel. And Savell. Something like that for the Indians. All right, last row. Then we still have the 3 Chromes cards, too. I forgot about that. We have the 3 Chrome box topper. Somebody told me they do have autographs in the box topper, too. So maybe we'll get something out of there. There's a blue or something in here. That might be another autograph. We got Long. Theus. Freddie Freeman. Duger. Let's just go to the front. We got JT Romalto on the blue, number to 150. The back of the card. Sleeve up the JT Romalto blue. There's the back, number to 150 for the Phillies. Not bad, Archer. Rodriguez rookie, and Will Smith get jiggy with it. All right, JT Romalto, the regular card. Pete Alonso, our first Pete Alonso card. Nice. Kevin Biggio. Mookie Betts. Corey Seager. Luke Weaver. Kyle Seager. And Minter. A.J. Minter. Odor. Glasnow. Will Smith, the other Will Smith, get jiggy with it. Lugo. Fortune teller is Paul DeJong. Bader. Bieber. And Stanton. A lot of variations these guys do. They do the no name, which we've seen already. They also do the upside down logo, too. And there's the Bazooka Back, too, I think it's called. I haven't seen any of those. But I haven't really looked at the back of the cards, but I'll check that out later. All right, Kirby Yates. I think that's Kirby Yates, right? Yep. Labaya, rookie. Hillard, rookie. Mitch Haniger. Sonny Gray. Wilson Contreras. Bubba Starling. And Ronald Acuna Jr. There's Mr. Acuna. All right, we got 4 regular packs left, and then we got the Chrome. Derek May rookie. There's one of the top rookies we're looking for. I guess we'll sleeve up Derek May. For the Dodgers. Him and all of his hair. Excuse me. Alright, Ottavino. For the Yankees. I don't know who that is. Hampson. Garcia for the Cubs. David Price, upside down card. Blue, number to 150. Would have been nice to get a David Price auto, wouldn't it? There's our David Price, number to 150. David Dahl, Sandegard, and Bradley. 3 packs left. We get some last pack mojo, maybe. Munez, Noah, Kaboom. I love that name. Austin Hayes. We got an Ace of Wands, Justin Verlander. Nice card there. Urusha, I don't know. Kyle Schwarber. And Aaron Judge. Aaron Judge. Got something in this one too, it looks like. Yeah. Alright, Alfredo Simmons. Chapman. Bryant. Let's see if we can go from the back here. Eshelman. George Springer. Reyes. There's Votto. And we got a Blue Jay. It is Roddy Tellez. Number to 250. I don't think we'll sleeve that one up. Well, we'll sleeve it up anyways. Roddy Tellez on the, I guess that's not blue. That's more of a, I don't know what kind of color that is. Green or aqua, maybe? It's kind of an aqua color, I guess. So, and we saw the Joey Votto. All right, last regular pack, and then we got the 3 chrome card box topper. So far, what I paid for this box, not really worth it, but that's the chance you take when you open up packs. You never know what you're going to get. All right, Max Scherzer, Anthony Rizzo, Rendon, Michael Chavis, Iglesias, Cruz, Arrieta, and Benintendi. All right, let's hope these 3 chrome ones are worth it here. Let's go. We got 3 chrome cards inside. All right, we're going to flip it around. We got Bryce Harper. That's a good start. Oh, we got a blue one. We'll wait on that one. Mookie Betts. That's good. So we got Mookie Betts and Harper. And we got an Indian. Is that Francisco? Yep, Francisco Lindor on the blue. Number to 99. Frankie Lindor. So our 3 chrome were pretty good. All 3 stars. So let's recap what we got. We got the Francisco Lindor. Blue chrome. Box topper, number to 99. The Roddy Tellez, kind of blue, but it's not really blue, number to 250. Yep. David Price, now that's blue, so there's the difference between the two. Man, they are so similar. You think they would have just made that a totally different color. I guess it's, I don't know. They're both kind of blue, it's just different shades of blue. David Price, number to 150. Derek May, rookie. JT Romalto, number to 150. Who's this? Lorenzo Cain, no name. Bo Bichette, rookie. Louis Robert, rookie. At least we got one of those. AJ Puck, auto, number to 99 on the blue. Lance McCullers Jr. autograph. And the Carl Yastrzemski short print. So let me know what you guys think down below. It was an okay box. I mean, it wasn't really worth the money, but that's the chance you take. So let me know what you guys thought down below, and I will catch you guys next time.